When you have the time, when you have the opportunity, and most importantly, when you have the potential, this is the right platform for you. So welcome all of you on board. NEET MDS 2021 regular batch, we're launching it very soon, and we have a concrete schedule, and all you need to do is just follow the given schedule and keep the following things in mind. So first and foremost, the highlight of the given course is assignments. So assignments is an idea which I've come across very recently when I'm dealing with students on a day-to-day basis. Usually we have several sessions, but assignments are like making you actively engage in discussions. So it's the best way in order to promote active learning. I'm sure this concept of assignments is very much familiar, but once you try to implement the same during PG preparation, it's going to make a lot of difference positively. The concept of assignments is that I'll be giving you a set of questions topic wise every week, and it can be one assignment or two assignments or whatever the number is. All you need to do is just complete the given assignment by making notes, getting the right answers, and creating explanations relevant to those questions by referring standard literature. And then once you're done with the assignment, right, you need to just get back through mail, and I'll be evaluating your assignments, and once the evaluation process is done, I'll be giving you key and explanations in the form of videos in our e-classes. So this is in brief the summary of assignments. So in the process of doing assignments, we are not only in touch with each other, and I'll not only be just able to evaluate your performance, most importantly, you are actively involving yourself in the learning process by referring standard literature, and it's going to create enormous positive impact on your preparation, right? So keep that in mind. And the second one, along with regular tests, see, we have hundreds of tests, we have thousands of multiple choice questions. Along with them, we have this concept of point and shoot test where the pattern of questions is even more challenging. So for example, 10 MCQs, 10 minutes, 1/4 negative marking is the routine. But what we do is, we'll give you a set of 10 questions topic wise, and then we will give you half the time, not 10 minutes but 5 minutes, and the negative marking will be increased to 1/2 but not 1/4. So this makes the testing pattern even more challenging because it is topic wise. We'll give you these point and shoot tests on select topics, and since it is topic wise, you will be already coming and attending the test prepared. So it has to be more challenging in order to test you, isn't it? So these point and shoot tests are even more challenging, and they bring out the best in you. And it's not the end. Once the test is done, we'll even give you top 10 ranking so that you would know the relative position comparatively, right? So this is another concept which we'll be implementing in our regular batch for NEET MDS 2021. And then we have this, the rest is the routine which we're having for the past several years. Lectures or videos, topic wise, subject wise in our e-classes. And then we have several discussions, either live discussions or discussions in our social media groups. It can be Telegram or WhatsApp. So we'll be using Telegram. So discussions in Telegrams which happen consistently on weekly basis, topic wise, right? And we have a schedule for it, and as I said, all you need to do is just follow the schedule, right? And also, doubt clarification is one such aspect which is very much important in anyone's preparation. It's not that you just take up the course and we leave it to you. Whenever you have a doubt, again, keeping this active learning concept in mind, we have designed a doubt clarification form which is available for everyone for free. You need to just go through that format and get back through mail using that format, and we'll help you out in clarifying your doubt, right? So that's pertaining to doubt clarification. And once you are in our batch, or once you are registered to our academy, we're not going to leave you, at least online. So even if we don't have this opportunity of meeting offline, thanks to the technological advancements, we're able to stay in touch, not just with a large group, but even person to person. That's very much possible, and we are using the same in order to keep in touch with you and to track your preparation. And support will be given through mail, not just academic related, but even non-academic. You have any issues whatsoever, you can always get back through mail, and we are there 24/7 to assist you. And finally, the most important aspect of our entire course, that is compliance report. And this has been my heart, this has been my personal favorite, and this is how I'm able to stay in touch with each and every one of you, understand you much better, so that I can guide you in a much efficient way possible. So compliance report is something where you'll be using a PDF which is available in general section of our e-classes, and you can monitor your preparation on daily basis, weekly basis, thereby giving you an idea how your preparation is going on. And also once you submit that report every weekend, right, I'll be just having an idea like how your preparation is going on. So it gives both of us an opportunity to improve in the process of your preparation, right? So this compliance report can be used in order to enhance your preparation, track your progress, and most importantly, it helps you to keep in touch with me, right? So these are some of the highlights pertaining to the regular batch NEET MDS 2021. Along with that, we have several other features. You can just drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Remember, all you need to do is just follow the given schedule. You're passionate about what you're doing, you exactly know what you want to achieve, and you wish to see success in the coming months and in the NEET MDS 2021 entrance exam. PTBD Academy is the right platform, because what's being done here is done purely out of passion, purely out of determination. And that's the reason why we're able to sustain our activity, not just for one day or 1 year, but it has been happening for years together. And thank you all for your love and support. And as I keep on saying before I conclude, work hard, work consistently, and most importantly, believe in yourself. And of course, the world is all yours. So wish you all the best. Love you all, and for any further queries you can always get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com.